everyone, and welcome to Wild Woodland Lavender Farm. I wanted to do another Dollar Tree gardening haul for you. What did I find at the Dollar Tree that's good for gardening? So I found these kits there and I thought they were pretty cool. They can serve a lot of purposes, and I had to get all of them, and I wanted to show you all of them so you can get inspired and maybe go get some and get growing in your home. But one of the main reasons I went there was to see if they had any more of the microgreens that I had bought previously. I showed them to you in another haul that I did. And when I was last there, they had the two that I bought and maybe one or two more. So I wasn't sure that they would have more, but I was pleasantly surprised they did. And so I got two more of the mild mix and two more of the hot mix. So this will give us some nice good greens while we're waiting for stuff from the garden to start producing. So go see if your Dollar Tree has some of these, and then look for my video on growing sprouts or microgreens in a jar. Now, these other things I found, I normally would pass them by because I'm not interested in them. I'm growing in a garden. I don't need these, but I also thought they can be pretty fun. They can be educational. They can be good for people who don't have a garden like I do. So if you're growing inside or if you have a patio, these could be really good. And so I wanted to get them to show you, to inspire you, and maybe you can go check these out and start growing them yourself. Now these I'll probably be doing with my boys, and you can follow along as we do this. Now, these can serve many different purposes, and I'll talk about them after I show them to you. But they're little growing kits. And yeah, there's lots of growing kits out there, but can you find them for $1.25, the new dollar? I think not. So anyway, there's 6 kits at the Dollar Tree, and I'll just show them all to you. We have the coneflower kit. Comes in a purple container, light purple. We have a basil grow kit. Is it focusing? Focus, focus. That's in a green. We have a cherry tomato grow kit in a red bin. We have a strawberry grow kit. I wanted to get 2 of these, but I decided to just get one because, you know, things are $1.25 now instead of $1. Then we have, oops, so the strawberries in a pink one. Then we have the daisy grow kit in a lovely yellow container. And then a sunflower grow kit. And it is fittingly in a blue container, and so it's blue and yellow for Ukraine. Support for Ukraine. So anyway, I saw these kits and I thought they could serve a lot of different purposes. So if you're a homeschooling family like we are, this would be a great science experiment to grow these inside the house with your kids, especially if you don't have a farm, if you're just in a house with a little bit of property or in an apartment with no property. So these would be just a great kit for your kids to grow something. It has everything you need. And so that's what I'm going to be doing is growing them with my kids and letting them be involved. And so we'll get these going for you on video so you can watch them grow. But the other thing is not just for people in apartments or homes without much land or container gardening to be able to grow something, but last year my family participated in the single seed challenge, and we had a lot of fun doing a weekly update for you guys, and we're going to do it again this year. But if you're not well, if you don't want to buy a whole bunch of supplies to do the single seed challenge, but you want to participate, these things are perfect, and there's such a variety that it can be just a lot of fun. What is a single seed going to do for you? So this could serve for your single seed challenge. So lots of fun. Let me tell you what's in these so you can know what to expect and see if it's going to be something that's feasible for you. So it includes the pot, obviously. It includes the seeds. I'd hope so. It includes the growing medium, so it'll have a soil in there, and I think from what I read, It's got a pellet of soil in there. And then it has instructions for how to do it. And the instructions are right on the back. So you can see those in the store as you're looking at it. So you're just going to get the pellet of soil wet. And then after it soaks up the water, you're going to fluff it up. You're going to put it in the pot and then, excuse me, then you're going to compress it lightly to provide a level surface for the seed paper. So the seed comes in paper. So it's not just going to be loose seed that you have. You're going to lay that on top and then use a spray bottle filled with water to thoroughly moisten the seed paper. And then cover it lightly with 1/4 inch of the soil. Then you're going to cover the pot with a plastic wrap. So you will need plastic wrap to go with it. And that could easily be a baggie or even maybe a plastic lid, as long as it's not going to let air in, because what you want to do is create a greenhouse environment to keep it moist. Then you're going to place it in a warm, bright location. Keep the growing medium moist but not overwatered. Once the seeds germinate, then you take the plastic wrap off. And once they've developed their second set of leaves, you begin watering with the plant fertilizer mixed at half strength. So the fertilizer is good because when you're growing in a pot like this, eventually all the nutrients that are in the soil will start to get used up and you need to replenish those. And since you're not outside where it's easier for like leaves to come in and other fertilizers to naturally gather in the soil, you have to add it to this. So that's all fine and good. So anyway, just really neat kits. Like I said, normally I wouldn't have thought of them, but I thought of you guys and I thought of my kids and thought they would have a lot of fun growing these. So get down to your Dollar Tree, now $1.25, and get yourself some growing kits. Grow something. We'll see you next time here on Wild Woodland Lavender Farm. Bye.